Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. PVC pipe manufacturer Fosrich Company is using global supply chain challenges to its advantage. As some global suppliers encounter issues shipping to the region, the company inked its first deal to ship pipes from Jamaica to a Caribbean retailer. Javon Keys reports.
After its $150 million investment into a Kingston PVC pipe manufacturing facility, Fosrich has seen optimism in the global supply chain crunch.
Nearshoring is very much an opportunity for people who want to export, because customers' mindset, companies' mindset is different from what it was before. And so we are taking the opportunity.
Fosrich will this week make its first PVC product shipment outside of Jamaica.
We are shipping at present a 40-foot container of PVC conduits, PVC drain pipe, and also water pipes, along with the fittings, the accessories that we manufacture here at Fosrich under the solid PVC brand. This shipment is going to our Caribbean island of Barbados.
The company will be making more shipments like these at least once per month. Mr. Foster also says it's eyeing other countries in the Caribbean and outside the region. And its Clarendon plant coming on stream soon should present more opportunities. Fosrich has invested about $200 million in the facility.
We are rolling out products in January.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $155.62. $123.39 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $205.64 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $178.42. The JC Index advanced by 2,908 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 14 points. Advancing today were Margaritaville Turks, Salada Foods, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and the Stationery and Office Supplies Limited. While on the losing side were JMB Group 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Portland JSX, I Create Ordinary Shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Express Catering. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.